Hi, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Pink Pony Club as recorded by Chappell Roan. You can find them on the Uke Play-alongs page on YouTube, and this tutorial is both on the Uke Play-alongs channel and the UkeStuff channel, sort of the home channel for this material. What we're going to do in this video is talk about the chords you need to play the song on GCEA ukulele, as well as the chords you need to play the song on DGBE baritone ukulele, and then we'll also give you some ideas for strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like this video, you can subscribe to this channel and its sister channel, so the Uke Play-alongs or the UkeStuff channel. And then third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. So let's begin with the chords needed for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. We're going to start with the D7 chord. It's not really a D7, but we call it a Hawaiian D7. It doesn't have a D in it, but our ear supplies it with everything else that's happening with the music. So you've got your D7, a G chord, an A minor chord, an E minor chord, one of my favorite chords. A first finger goes on the first string, second fret. Second finger goes on the second string, third fret. And the ring finger goes on the third string, fourth fret. Fourth string is open, particularly on reentrant GCEA ukulele or high G GCEA ukulele, standard ukulele tuning. And you play all four strings. I call it the waterfall chord because it looks like a waterfall. And then finally a C chord. And those are the 5 chords you need to play Pink Pony Club on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. Okay, in baritone, we're going to start with a D7 chord. Then we're going to have a G chord, an A minor chord, which is like the C chord, but an extra finger thrown in, an E minor chord, and a C chord. And those are the chords to play Pink Pony Club on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. As it comes to strumming, please remember there was no ukulele in the original version of the song, so there's not one single right answer. Second, the song changes sort of the background music all the time throughout the whole thing, so you're going to have different answers at different times of what you want to do. That all said, there are 3 rules to strumming. Number 1, play the right chord at the right time. That's what these videos are all about. They show you what chord to play and when to play them. Number 2, keep a steady tempo, keep a steady beat. Play along with the music or by yourself, but make sure it's steady. And number 3, make sure that whatever you are doing matches the style of the music. Even though there might not be a right answer, there are sometimes definitely wrong answers that don't fit. Okay, the first thing we're going to do in the song for playing along with it is roll a D7 chord, and it's all on the wrist, not in the arm at all. And you're just going to go up and down, point to yourself, point to the floor, lightly on the strings. The lighter you go, the faster you'll be able to strum. And that's going to take us to the single chords, which we're not going to talk a whole lot about, but I would play each of the single strums with a thumb. Usually I talk about that you want to use your pointer finger most of the time because your thumb is so dominant, but to get a nice clear sound, I would roll the single strum chords until we get to the actual strumming part. Now about 38 seconds in, we're going to see the first strumming, which you have a couple options to do here. You could go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That would work really well. The other thing you can do is pick the notes at about 38 seconds in instead of strumming. And what you're going to do is a claw. So you're going to play string 4 with your thumb, string 2 with the pointer finger, and string 1 with the middle finger. And you're going to pick like a claw, and then your thumb's going to play string 3. So it's 4, 2, 1, 3. 4, 2, 1, 3. The claw. Here we go. It's going to go like this. G chord, A minor, E minor, C. That's going to work really well for that part. Now at 56, we get a big change in the accompaniment, and it'd be almost impossible to play it exactly with what's going on. And you have 2 options here really. One is you can just play down, up on each chord. You could also do something like this. that's called the island strum, except it's not swung in this case. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And the trick is your hand never stops moving. Like that. The next part starts about 1 minute and 14 seconds into the video, and this is where that down, down, up, down, up is going to work really well with what's going on. My other thought in this part would just be going down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's really very similar, except you don't stop with the island strum like you would have towards the end. So I think either down, down, up, down, up, or down, down, up, down, up, down, up is going to work really well in this part. At 132, I think we're really back to the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now at 2 minutes 8 seconds into the video, you have two choices. You can either keep going with the down, up, or you can go back to down, down, up, down, up. Either one of those two choices work well. At 3:11, we're probably back to down, up again. At 3:30, we're back to down, down, up, down, up. And that will work for the rest of the song. All right, so with those chords and with those strumming ideas throughout the song, and as long as you're following the 3 rules of strumming, again, playing the right chord at the right time, keeping steady tempo, and then making sure that whatever you're doing actually matches with style music, that's all you need to do to be successful on Pink Pony Club. So again, thanks for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.